Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable restricted mode in YouTube application. Restricted mode helps hide potentially mature or inappropriate content, making YouTube a safer space. So here's how you do it. First of all, open up the YouTube application and make sure that you're signed in using your Google account. Once you're in the home page, tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. And from the expanded menu, click on Settings. Inside Settings, hit General. Under General, go to Restricted Mode option and toggle on the button right next to it. Make sure that the toggle switch is turned blue color, and once you do that, this will make your YouTube browsing experience safer and more controlled. For extra safety, you can also consider setting up parental controls. So that's how you can easily enable restricted mode on YouTube. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.